Okay guys, welcome back to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about the Bluewhale AI airdrop. I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to position yourself and all you need to do in order for you to participate on this airdrop and also qualify to receive the airdrop. All right, so this is totally free and they raise about $100 million, and on this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to position yourself in order for you to get a cut from their airdrop, which they are still giving room for people to actually join. So joining the airdrop is very simple. It doesn't require you to tap, it doesn't require you to do anything extra. You don't need any advanced knowledge to participate on the airdrop. All you need to do right now is simply pay close attention to the video. Let me walk you around how you can be able to position very well for the airdrop and most importantly qualify to claim the airdrop. So it is very simple. Welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel guys, I teach you all about crypto and I help you resolve most of your crypto related problem, and most importantly I do give out soon giveaway to our video viewers. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, simply go ahead and make sure that you have subscribed, like, share and comment on this video. With that being said, you have now positioned to receive the free tone giveaway, which we do every single week. All right, so with that being said, let's now dive completely into the airdrop, which we are going to be talking about on this video, which is the Bluewhale AI. First thing that I usually do is that I will do my research about the airdrop and I will find out how legit the airdrop is before I will go ahead and of course join into such airdrop. So looking over here right now, you can see this is obviously the Twitter account of the Bluewhale AI. Over here they have their golden tick right here, and of course you can see this is a Web3's intelligent layer 3. Turn your data and mobile device into most valuable asset by powering AI agents and model on-chain with Blue AI. So right now guys, pay close attention. Let's now dive in deeply. Over here guys, you can see this is the people that I'm following, that are following them as well, because this is very important that you understand the people that are following the project. So looking over here right now, you can see that we have the Commonwealth following this project right here on Twitter or X. Also you can see here Wallet is also following this project. So for the fact that these people are following this project right here, you can see even Ash Crypto is also following this project. For the fact that they are following this project, it is enough reason for us to be convinced that this is a very good catch and we should trust this project and of course give it a shot so that we can also be able to get a cut from what they are going to be giving to their community as their airdrop. So right now, with that being said, let's now dive deeply onto what you need before you can be able to position very well for this airdrop. So as well, I already made you guys a video about how you can be able to install Mrs. Browser on your phone and be able to put all the necessary extensions that are required for you to participate on most of all this airdrop, for example Phantom Wallet and all that. All right, so if you don't have a Mrs. Browser, you can go ahead to your Play Store and of course download Mrs. Browser, and once you have downloaded Mrs. Browser, do well to add metamask extension on it, because this is going to be helping you with most of all the airdrop that we are talking about on this channel guys. So let's now proceed. So the link to this airdrop is going to be on the video description box, so make sure you check out the video description box to get the link that you are going to be using to participate on this airdrop. So right here guys, on my Mrs. Browser, I will go ahead and of course paste the link right here because I have already copied it. So I will paste it right there, then I will go ahead and of course search for it. So this is going to be taking me to the Bluewhale AI website, where we are going to be required to claim our profile and of course do some certain simple stuff in order for us to actually gain full ground on how we can be able to get this airdrop at our own end. Okay, so over here guys, this is what you're going to be seeing. This is how the website actually looks like, and what you need to do right now is very simple. So you can see right now, you can see complete verification, and right now guys, we are waiting for the verification because a tone capture is about to pop up, and once it's pop up, then we will verify ourselves, then we will proceed to the next step. All right, so right now guys, you can see the tone capture has now popped up right now. The capture verification has now popped up, and of course we are now waiting for it, and after the verification we will be proceeding and we will be claiming our profile right now. It is very easy. So what I need to do from here is simply go ahead and click on verify. You are a human, you click on this block right here, or this on that cube, you click on it and you can see we have now gained access. So the next thing you need to do right now is simply connect your wallet. You click on connect wallet like this, and it's going to be asking you the wallet you want to collect. We are going to be using metamask. Obviously we select metamask like this, and once you select metamask, your metamask extension is going to be popping up asking you to approve this transaction. If your wallet is locked, you go ahead and of course unlock your wallet and then proceed to connecting your wallet. And right now I have unlocked my wallet. I will go ahead and of course click on connect, and right now guys, you can see our connection is being established right now, and right now they are going to be asking you to actually add Arbitrum1 as one of your network on your wallet. You scroll down a little bit, you click on approve. So this is going to be adding Arbitrum as one of your networks on your wallet. Okay, so this is how simple it is right now, and you can see right here we are required to actually do something very special, which is signature request, which we are supposed to sign right now. You can see if you look over here, we have this pop-up right here on our metamask. You can see it right here, so beware of this. Sorry, my bad. Okay, beware of this. You click on it right now, you scroll down until you see metamask, you click on it. Right now, once you click on your metamask, you can see this request has been there waiting for us to approve it. You go ahead and of course scroll down a little bit, you can see signature request. You go ahead and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, this will be done immediately and your wallet will be connected instantly. So right now guys, you go back to the website, you can see it will load up pretty quick right now, and you are going to be taken into the website where you are going to be claiming your profile immediately. So it is too simple like this. And right now guys, you can see we are now being taken to the next step. Okay, so right now watch closely, let me show you what you need to do from here. Okay, you can see one more step. Please claim your profile for our AI to reward you by connecting your social account. You click ahead, you go ahead and click on claim my profile, and of course you are going to be required to of course connect your Google account, connect your Twitter account, and of course connect your Telegram account. All these are very simple. You go ahead and click on the first one, which is connect your Google. You click on it. So this is going to be loaded up right now. It's going to be asking you to select your Google account that you want to connect, and once it just asks you the question, what you need to do is simply select the Google account that you want to connect to this website. And right now it is very simple as that. So you can see how it's going to be popping up right now, and I'm going to be doing it live right here on this video. Obviously I'm going to be selecting this my Google account. This is it right now. I will click on this one to select it, and right now it's going to be loading up pretty quick, and it's going to be asking me to continue. And once I continue, then my account will be connected instantly. So this is it right now. I will click on continue like this, and you can see my account is going to be connected right now. So right now you need to go back and do the same for your Twitter, and also do the same for your Telegram account. So right now we have connected our Google account right now. The next thing that we need to do from here is to simply click on connect with Twitter. All right, you click on connect with Twitter. This is going to be asking you to authenticate with your Twitter, that is to authorize your Twitter to connect to this website. And once you authorize it, it will be connected as well, as I'm going to be doing it right here on this video. All right, and right here I need to click on authorize, and once you click on authorize, this is going to be taking you back to the website where you were earlier. You can see redirecting back to your application, and right now we have been taken back into the system, that is the Blue AI social account. You can see right now guys, what I need to do from here, you can see we already have one Blue AI as our balance, and right now what we need to do from here is very simple. Okay, so what we need to do from here is, you can see monitor your profile, activate your node, and monitor earning in real time. You click on claim right now. You can see it right here. You click on claim. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, you can see this is where you're gonna be seeing all your history, for example what you have got so far, and the point you have claimed, and also the amount you have already. So that's how simple it is. So what we need to do from here is simply go ahead and clear this off, and what we need to do from here is simply scroll down a little bit, and if you look closely, let me show you guys something real quick. Okay, bear with me, let me show you something here real quick. You can see we have the daily check-in, meaning that you need to actually log in every day into this website to actually claim every point that you are going to be given every day as you log in. That's what we mean by the daily check-in. Once you click on daily check-in, you are going to be given certain amount of coin. And when you look over here on this side, you can see these are your level. You can see you are supposed to level up by linking your Telegram account, linking your Twitter account, linking your Discord account, and inviting people. That's the simple way that you earn from this website. You can see it right here. These are the simple way that you earn from this website right here. So it's very simple and way too easy, as I'm showing you right now on this video. All right, so right guys, what I need to do from here is simply scroll down a little bit, and you can see over here this is your quest. When I click over here, let's see what we're gonna have right here. This is where you have your your total value of your wallet. This is it right here. This is supposed to be showing something like chat right here, and when you click over here guys on this one, you can see this is where we have the trade and earn, meaning that you can as well trade over here, but I think that feature is not yet fully live. All right, so right guys, when you click on this last one, well, let's see what we're gonna have right here, my spots. And okay, this is my spot. I don't really understand what this is all about, but I'll go and I click on open my spot. Let me see what I'm gonna have right here. Okay, you can see refer and earn more spots and Blue AI. Okay, so I think they are actually requiring you to refer more people into the system, meaning that more people that you refer, the more that you actually earn more points. That's going to be determining how much airdrop allocation that you are going to be getting. Remember, people that actually did the social value airdrop cashed out real time, and also people that did the bearer chain airdrop cashed out real time. And one thing about airdrop that you need to understand is that some airdrop is likely going to be taking some time before they actually list up or give allocation. But remember, the more time they take, the more they are cooking something really big, though it is not really the case in every cases, but you simply need to make sure that you are getting as more points as possible. Looking over here right now, you can see this is what I've got so far, and I haven't even gone ahead to connect all this. Remember, the more you connect it, the more that you actually earn more points, and also the more you refer people, the more point that you actually earn, and your point is actually what's going to be determining your airdrop allocation. All right, So this is simply all you need to know about the Bluewhale AI airdrop. And if you have any question, let me have it on the comment section. If you are finding anything difficult to connect right here, let me know on the comment section and I'm going to be helping you resolve it. All right, so it is very, very simple and way too easy like this, and this is all you need to know about the Bluewhale AI. Thank you. I believe you liked the video. Do well to subscribe and like this video you just watched right now, and also do well to share it with your friends so that they will also benefit from this awesome opportunity. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.